Michael Tiny Saul with a video with the final management of the stock watch list for the week of March 28th, 2011. Feel free to contact me here. This is my YouTube channel, and this is how you view my blog. Here is a schedule for this weekend. On Saturday, I'm going to be doing a video with viewer requests. Feel free to send your requests to this email. On either Saturday or Sunday, I'm going to go over my watch list for the week of April 4th. And on Saturday or Sunday, I'm going to do my Forex video. So please check back to the YouTube channel or watch the blog for updates. The best thing to do is subscribe to the YouTube channel so you don't miss an update. Okay, let's take a look at the stocks left on the watch list that we did for the week of March 28th. CRE never made it to the 20 EMA, didn't reverse, even though, if you took the break of the Wednesday low, you may be up a little bit here, but no trigger here. So we're going to be removing that off of the list. Metafast, we had the reversal candle at the 20 EMA, but I said I was passing. Gap down anyway, so there was really no entry. This one will have to form another pattern for me to get reinterested in it. Same thing with CRE, actually. SLV, the iShares Silver Trust, looks like it wants to go higher. We're going to see what it does when it gets to that 162% external retracement. I'm just going to make the stochastics a little bit lower here. There we go. Okay, that's SLV. Melly, another nice day, up 1.38%, but was up more. Still watching this one. There was no actionable trigger on that one. BTU, either we stopped out of BTU on Thursday or you had a chance to get out on Friday for a little bit. Actually went back up to the high, so you had a chance, if you didn't get out Thursday, to still take the same profits here, okay? And then it sold off later in the day. But stops now on the rest, if you're still in a piece, should be break even. That's BTU. UIS, still working its way here. I would be moving stops to above Thursday's highs, like 31.71, locking in a little bit from the entry, but Thursday was a nice day where the majority of gains should have been booked. ANR, okay, triggered, watching for a break of Wednesday's highs. We got it. So on Monday, I want to see this stock go higher. If it does and it breaks above these highs from the 28th at 60.85, I'd be moving stops to break even. Right now, I would probably have my stop below the Wednesday low, which was the trigger bar. So the low would be below 58.80 for a stop. Let's see, SF, one of the new ones, gapped up above the entry. Either entry you used, I put a diagonal line. It gapped up nicely above that, and even the horizontal line, you could see that we gapped up. Probably got to adjust it above that. So I'm going to go over the rules when I do the watch list for the week of April 4th, and hopefully it'll clear some things up as far as entry and stuff like that, because I do not chase gap ups. So this one may have been entered anyway, but if it was, then stops would be right below Friday's lows. Okay, and now the stock that I really don't want to show because I was disgusted with it on Friday. FFIV, watching this one all week. For those who've been watching the videos, you can go back and watch all the videos. I said I loved this pattern because this is the type of pattern I want to see, a first continuation after a break of the 200-day. I was holding off on it until it hit the 20 EMA at a minimum. It hit the 20 EMA on Thursday, but it didn't form a reversal candle. This was not a reversal candle. It hit resistance, but it closed in the upper end of the range. So had we entered this one, it would have been based on Thursday's low, which is $100.02, giving it even a couple of cents to go to 99.99. You could see it was just a monster. Over a $6.50 gain here. But no entry on this one. I said I was going to pass on it. And then, of course, when I saw what it was doing on my watch list as the top loser on the day, I was like, ugh. So down 8.75%. But, that's the way trading is. I always look at the reverse of this and saying, we could have bought it long after it didn't fall out of this pattern and it went higher. We could have bought it on Wednesday and then gave it all back on Friday. I mean, I always try to look at the bright things because I think it keeps you from going crazy in this profession, because there's a lot of things that the markets do. And you're watching a stock for 2 weeks, and all of a sudden you take your eye off the ball for some reason. It's not on your watch list anymore, and boom, it explodes to the upside or falls to the downside, right? But I mean, I've been watching this all week. I have no excuse for missing it other than I don't think it set up a clear pattern. So that's just me. I'm sure other people may have looked at it differently, and that's fine for them. But my analysis, and this is why, I always like to be clear when I do these videos. This is my opinion based on my analysis. So anyway, that's the final recap video for the watch list for the week of March 28th. We'll move probably a couple of them over to the watch list for the week of April 4th. And I will try to get to that Saturday or Sunday. So stay tuned for that, and have a great weekend.